everyone, my name is Mani and welcome with our care. So today we're going to discuss about the nursing Ausbildung. What are the requirements, what all documents you need, and what is the process for Ausbildung. So we have Stipend with us and I'm in Eurasia today. So he is the right person because he has processed a lot of applications and he would be guiding us that how we can apply for nursing Ausbildung along with the documents and everything. Yeah, so can you please give your introduction and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much, Mani. Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
And nice to see you after a long time. It's a pleasure. Thank you so much also for asking me about this program because currently I'm coordinating the nursing program.
Yeah.
And so I'm involved in the whole process with the student and with the partners that we're working with.
Yeah.
The nursing program is an apprentice program that has a very strong focus on the applied and the theory. So students have 1 month in classes, 1 month in the practical placement where they are going to be learning to test the theories which they have learned in the theoretical classes.
Okay.
Who are we looking for in this kind of program? We are looking for young ladies and men who are very interested in helping in the health system of Germany, but also later on maybe they wish to go back and support their health systems.
Okay. So if a person has done the Ausbildung from Germany, they can go to Spain, they can go to Italy, anywhere they can practice. That is what you mean?
Yes. So ideally the German government is investing a lot of money in the Ausbildung, in the apprentice program, because they want to support their own health system. But because we are living in the EU, which is a free market, free movement of labor, goods and services, students have the right and the freedom to move to any
country.
Yes.
So I think that's an opportunity because you get a Schengen visa for 29 countries, so they can work in Germany, they can work anywhere, wherever they want. So that's an opportunity. So apart from this, I think there's an age limit. So up to 25 years, a person can apply. So a person who is below 25, they can apply for this Ausbildung. And what are the documents? What is an eligibility for a person to apply for this program?
Yes, so very good question. First eligibility criteria is the age. We're looking for 18 to 25 maximum age limit.
Okay.
This is not to discriminate anyone, but 18 is the age of consent where one can sign a job contract, and 25 is the cap which was set by the German embassies for the training program.
Okay.
In regards to the academic requirements, usually from India, someone will need to take the high school, the 12th grade, and the 65% mark average will be enough, and you don't need to have completed medical stream. Anyone can do as long as you have some basic understanding of biology class. Okay.
So I mean to say, if someone wanted to go for a nursing Ausbildung, so anyone who has a biology in their 12th, in the senior secondary can apply for this nursing. So anyone who is from mathematics cannot apply for nursing Ausbildung, but they can apply for technical Ausbildungs. So we're going to discuss about technical Ausbildungs in another video, but this is mostly focused on nursing. Yeah. And that's clear for all the students up to 12th, they can apply for the Ausbildung. Apart from this, why you should apply for Ausbildung. So what I know about it is, if someone has scored less in their 12th, due to which you are not eligible to apply for education system here in Germany, here in public universities. So very importantly, Ausbildung is not an easy way to come here to Germany. It's really needs a good motivation. So he was just explaining me about the motivation which is really required for the embassy. So can you please tell us about the Ausbildung motivation?
Sure. So when you think about it, someone coming to take a program where you want to help other people who are either having injuries or people who are old, people who have mental impairments, so you need to have the passion. You need to be aware that this is not just about giving medicine or injecting people. There is the physical and there is the clerical responsibility. And then there's also the empathy that is required. So in this program, we test the motivation of the applicant. So we need a letter of motivation explaining why do I want to become a nurse in Germany. And then we need we do a career assessment where we look at the candidate to see whether they are really a fit for this program. In this career assessment, we are looking at the strength, we are looking at the match of the professions, and then we're looking at the career development report where we help them to understand what are the things that you need to work on in order to enjoy the profession of a nurse. So those are the things that we're looking at in the motivation part.
Yeah, and I think before applying for the Ausbildung visa, you need 3 contracts. You need one where you're going to learn the Ausbildung. Second, you need a contract from the employer. Third, you need a language. Till the time you don't have a language, you are not eligible. So B1 is compulsory, and B2 is always,
An added advantage.
Yes, it's always an added advantage.
Yes.
Yeah, so would you like to add on something apart from this?
Yeah. So the process is very simple. Learn German to level B1, apply for the employment, or we help you to apply for the employment contract, get the contract of the nursing school, and then apply for the visa. For the visa part, you need all the normal documents, the personal details or personal documents, plus employment contract, plus the nursing school contract and the German language proficiency.
Yeah.
And besides that, then you need also to be prepared very well when it comes to work placement, employment rights, legal issues, cultural integration, and all this comes together with the training of the language because it's an integrated part of it. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think this is a lot of information is being given for nursing Ausbildung. I really wanted to thank you. And if you're interested, you can contact our care. We'd be really happy to help you out for the Ausbildung, especially for the nursing, because a lot of demand is there in Europe, in Germany for the nursing sector. And if you have any question, you're free to contact us, call us, email us, or you can write down a comment. We will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you very much. And in case of any further questions, you can contact our partners and then we'll be very happy to support you.
Yeah, thank you.